This is bee. It is a tiny but very important pollinating insect. This is gecko. It is a small and fascinating lizard that can climb walls. This is iguana. It is a large and calm herbivorous reptile. This is bear. It is a large and powerful wild animal. This is leopard. It is a fast and stealthy wild cat. This is dog. It is a loyal and friendly animal. This is elephant. It is a massive and intelligent animal. This is chameleon. It is a fascinating reptile that can change its color. This is scorpion. It is a small but venomous and dangerous creature. This is chameleon. It is a fascinating reptile that can change its color. This is rhinoceros. It is a huge and heavily armored animal. This is crocodile. It is a powerful and dangerous reptile. This is dog. It is a loyal and friendly animal. This is lion. It is a powerful and fearless wild animal. This is monitor lizard. It is a large and powerful reptile. This is giraffe. It is a tall and graceful animal with a very long neck. This is deer. It is a graceful and gentle forest animal. This is frog. It is a small and amazing amphibian. This is horse. It is a strong and fast animal. This is grasshopper. It is a small jumping insect that can leap very far. This is sheep. It is a soft and calm animal. This is giraffe. It is a tall and graceful animal with a very long neck. This is colorfish. It is a small and beautiful colorful fish. This is hippopotamus. It is a huge and semi-aquatic animal. This is goat. It is a curious and agile farm animal. This is zebra. It is a wild horse-like animal with black and white stripes. This is dung beetle. It is a small but very hard-working insect. This is cow. It is a gentle and useful farm animal. This is bull. It is a strong and powerful farm animal.